Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a significant piece of news from Zimbabwe, where President Emmerson Mnangagwa has made a compelling promise to the nation's war veterans. So let's unpack this announcement and its broader implications for the country's future. For 44 long years, Zimbabwe's war veterans have waited for the recognition and aid they were promised. Now, it seems their patience might finally pay off. President Mnangagwa has recently unveiled a comprehensive package aimed at improving the lives of these veterans, who played a crucial role in the country's struggle for independence. During a passionate address at the War Veterans League, Mnangagwa pledged not just words, but actionable support. He emphasized, "My administration is ready to facilitate the broad-based empowerment of your membership so that you fully participate in the economy, as well as the ongoing industrialization, modernization, and national development agenda." But why now? This isn't just about fulfilling a long-standing promise. It's strategic. With the ZANU-PF's elective congress around the corner, securing the support of these veterans could be crucial. Historically, they've been a significant political force, and their support, or lack thereof, could sway the outcomes dramatically. The implications are huge, not just politically, but economically too. In 1997, a similar promise led to a payout that ultimately crashed the Zimbabwe dollar. What will happen this time? The eyes of the nation and international observers are closely watching. Mnangagwa's move also includes the acknowledgement of the sacrifices these veterans have made. It's not just about economic benefits, it's about restoring dignity to those who fought for the nation's freedom. Plus, there's talk of integrating these war heroes into the national economic framework, promising them a stake in the country's economic future. As we look towards the elective Congress, one thing is certain: the political landscape in Zimbabwe is heating up. Will these promises be fulfilled? Will they bring about the needed change and stability? Or is this another political maneuver in the intricate chess game of Zimbabwean politics? Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on this story and many others. Your engagement helps us keep the conversation going. Until next time, keep questioning and stay curious.